This event is the shadow as written in Daniel 7:25 as an object that informing us the changing of times and laws, a blasphemous act made by the Pope, the man of sin. He also changed the Ten Commandments of God to his own, also the Bible calendar to Gregorian calendar. The reckoning of one day instead of sunset to sunset, he changed to midnight for one day. God allows Satan to do this by his representative, the Pope, but must follow God's program, what to change or not. Remember, my brethren, the Pope also have serious illness and the papal power start to one day on 1798 and held on 1929. In Daniel 7:25, the changing of times and laws was made by the Pope on 1567 TB12 in the hour of midnight. Pope Gregory XIII introduced his calendar, the Gregorian calendar. He changed year 1567 AD TB12 midnight to the year 1582 and TB12 midnight to January 1 midnight as the starting of Gregorian calendar introduction. We found here that Pope Gregory XIII added 15 years to our time, and the month Tebet, which is the 10th month of the Bible calendar, he named it January and declared it a first month of Gregorian calendar and dated at Tebet 12 midnight to January 1 midnight, so there are 11 days omitted and 6 hours. If you will search the history of the Gregorian calendar, you will find in the month of October the date 4 followed by 15 instead of 5. There are 10 days filled up from the 11 days and 6 hours omitted, but still lacking 1 day and 6 hours. That is why 6,000 years or 2,000 years in any generation will be completed in April 2, 2016 Saturday. Because if you study the Bible calendar, Christ's second advent take place other 30,2070 in any generation. Comparative prophecy or a shadow means you can trace its likeness and unlikeness. My brethren, don't be tarry or delay in searching the Bible and the pure doctrine of the Seventh-day Adventist Church that no more exists in our present times or teachings of our leaders. As we know that the leaders of our church, most of them is no longer a true man of God, but rather the undercover Jesuit planted by Rome to our churches, as Dr. Alberto Rivera rebelled, the ex-Jesuit priest. But before this happened, Sister White gave us warning before her death that great changes will take place, and Roman Catholic Church bring a literal cross in our church as a sign that they are successfully infiltrated and captured our church, Seventh-day Adventist. Read Testimonies, Volume 1, 578, Manuscript 1, February 21, 1915. But before Christ come, in April 2, 2016 Saturday, the outpouring of the wrath of God will compass the 7 last plagues. This coming in the month of November, midnight, 2015. The New World Order or Global Sunday Law is already set for implementation for the past years, but there is a time program when God Almighty permit to seize this plan by America when the 144,000 completely sold during the implementation of the Global Sunday Law for one day, and thousands will be converted. Please take a closer look. For further information, please contact here our numbers and address. Thank you and God bless us all.